Welcome to our latest video in the community management series. Today we are tackling the topic of how to send automated emails and notifications. If you're new here and haven't watched our previous videos yet, we highly recommend checking them out. Our earlier content covers fundamental aspects such as creating your community, adding topics, managing posts, and understanding admin-student interactions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest community management tips and tricks. So let's get started. Uteach allows you to set up automated emails and notifications that notify members when they are invited to join a community or they get replies and etc. From your dashboard, navigate to the settings and select email settings. Select community emails. Here you can manage all email communications related to your community. Currently, we have the following cases for emails. They are all inactive. From here, click on the email template you want to edit. You can modify the email subject, description, and body of the email. You can use available variables like name, community name, and community link to personalize the message. If you are okay with the email body, you can leave as it is. Don't forget to activate email and click Confirm Changes.